Welcome to School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. I am Satyajit Asthana, Assistant Professor in Management Department. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the concept of a startup and various important requisites to be a successful startup entrepreneur. Moving forward, we are going to define startup. A startup is defined as the human institution designed to deliver a new product or service under a condition of extreme uncertainty. Or a startup is a young company founded by one or more entrepreneurs to develop unique product or service and bring it to the market. Frankly speaking, the startup or any entrepreneurial venture involves two important things: risk and commitment. And a startup is a kind of risky commitment that requires both technology and passionate intent to deliver the maximum out of it. Moving forward, we are trying to understand the concept of startup using a mathematical equation. If you see, there are the various components that actually make a successful startup. You will see following components are actually contributing towards the startup. Startup is equal to new business plus innovation plus technology plus passion plus hard work plus teamwork and many more things. Broadly speaking, startup is a combination of technology, innovation involved to generate a new business idea with a passionate intent. This is all about the startup. Moving forward to enter into legal and technical aspect of startup, it is as per the Government of India initiative, that is Startup India initiative. Any legal entity will be identified as a startup if it is registered or incorporated not prior to 5 years, or if its turnover does not exceed 25 crore in the last 5 financial years. Third point, it is working towards innovation, development, deployment and commercialization of new product, processes or services driven by technology or intellectual property. Intellectual property is something which is need to understand. We'll discuss in the later videos what is all about intellectual property. Moving towards the next slide, it is telling us about the key to develop a successful startup or the major requisites to be a successful startup entrepreneur. There are 4 important points that can be impart us to be a successful startup entrepreneur. First important point is to become a problem solver, not a complaining guy. You must be a problem solver. Second important point, always start from some point of time. You know about that shlok, karam mane vadikarastu ma phaleshu kadachana. That means do your work, do not think about result. It will pay you off if you are facing an honest path or following an honest path. Third important point, always try to implement right technology dimension. It will help you to develop your business twofold, threefold and what we can say. Last but most important thing, you must be a physically or mentally strong to show your full energy towards your development of the startup. All these important points are required to be a successful startup entrepreneur. Thank you for today's session. Please like our page on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.